Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to upload guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys what is auto rotate screen setting and how to on and use on Realme mobile. Hence you want to on auto rotate screen setting, so how to on auto rotate screen and how to use it on Realme mobile. And friends you want to rotate your Realme phone screen, so how to rotate. Let's see. Open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, click on display and brightness setting. After on display brightness friends, you can see dark mode setting, light mode setting friends. Auto brightness you want to on, so you can on friends. After on, your brightness will increase and decrease automatic on your Realme phone guys. So guys, we will off it friends. You want to on your eye comfort mode setting, so you can on your eye comfort mode and you can use on your Realme phone. Friends, you should on at night. When you operate your Realme phone at night, you should on it. So friends, I will on auto rotate screen, and friends after on way how to use it. So friends, open your YouTube app, and friends you want to rotate your Realme phone guys screen. So friends, you can rotate it. Friends, you can see we can use the screen rotate setting on Realme phone guys. So like that friends, you want to rotate your screen, so you can rotate. So I will on guys Google app, friends you can see we can use this screen rotate setting on Realme phone. So like that friends, you can on your auto rotate screen setting and you can use it. Friends you don't want to on, friends you don't want to use, so guys how to turn off auto rotate screen on Realme phone. Friends, click on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, click on display brightness again, and friends off your auto rotate. After of friends, you can see screen will not rotate on Realme phone. So like that friends, we can on auto rotate screen setting, and friends we can use it on Realme mobile. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.